A logical test is probably the most basic formula in Excel. So a logical test does exactly what it says. It's basically a true or false question, or in other words, a yes or no question. So you're going to ask a question, you're going to test a specific cell for a specific value, and it's either going to be yes or no. So let's do a quick example. If I've got the number 1 in A1, I want to test if the number 1 is there. I'm just going to say equals, all formulas start with equal, A1 equals to 1. That is a logical test. So it will either give me true or false. So when I say 2, it's false. 1, if there's nothing, obviously it's false. So you can also test if a cell is empty or not. So test if that cell, remember that means empty. 2 apostrophes next to each other is empty. So at this stage there's nothing in. The moment when I add spaces, it will be false. So a logical test can only be true or false. Later on I'll show you some other types of logical tests which also gives you a true or false answer, and then I'm going to show you how to get another answer by combining an if formula into a logical test, because normally with a true or false result you can't do that much, but you need to understand the logical test before you go to do more formulas. So I mean, we can also test if, let's say I've got 5 there, I want to test if that is less than 10. And there it is. If I type the word apple there, I want to test if that is apple. I literally just do that. So is A1 equals to apple? That's a logical test. If I go down on it, you won't be able to open a formula function bar, because it's not a official formula, but it is the most basic formula, but it's like subtracting. You can't open the formula function bar for it. So it's very important to understand that you will only get true or false here. When you want to do something with true or false, obviously you will need to add this in an if formula, which we will do later on.